Hey guys, so 3 months of lockdown seemed just about enough to revive my brains to oblivion. All these feelings of anxiety, stress, depression, boredom, they can be really overwhelming, especially when you're under a literal house arrest. So now the government has finally uplifted the lockdown and we are free to move anywhere we want, of course totally upon our own risk. Plus, all the work from home schedules are just an inch away from making me go insane. So I am about to visit a place to get rid of all my bad energies with some good Ayurveda. So today I'm visiting this new branch of Shantigiri Ayurveda and Siddha hospitals. It is in Chhatarpur, which is the south side of Delhi. This is the newest edition of the long chain of Ayurveda hospitals run by Shantigiri throughout the country. They apparently have a place in Saket as well, which is in the sector 6 area of Pushpilhar, but I am on my way to Chhatarpur here, so let's see. And you can see this area is developing to be one of the most prominent hubs of South Delhi. So on the right side, if we go a bit forward, you can see the SART University which is coming up. It is a 100-acre campus and it is still under construction. So we reached the place here. This is the newest branch of Shantigiri Ayurveda and Siddha Hospital, which we are going to visit today. So let's go in and check out. So I'm wearing my mask here because your protection lies in your hands, totally. So what's really attractive about this place is the very diligent safety measures which these people are undertaking to prevent the further spread of COVID-19, along with the very reasonable and good Ayurvedic therapies which they provide. So I'm just a bit excited. Let's see. I'm actually looking for some relaxation or rejuvenation therapies. So I've heard a lot about Shantigiri from a lot of my friends. So this is the first time I'm coming here. I think you have a center in Shantigiri.
Yeah, we do.
Are you suggesting that I should be consulting a doctor even for rejuvenation therapies?
See, ma'am, it would be the best thing because see, what we suggest is like a doctor will be able to tell what's best for you.
I see.
Yeah, because he will have a better understanding about your body's nature.
Okay.
So even we people don't have, because they have their experience in that.
Yeah.
So it would be the best for you.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
So.
That sounds really interesting. So how do we start now? What do I have to do?
So yeah, ma'am, you can wait over there.
Okay.
And meanwhile, I'll arrange your appointment with the doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, please.
So Shantigiri here is actually well known for providing some very traditional Kerala Ayurveda Panchakarma therapies. And these therapies, which includes, these are treatments for many different kinds of ailments like spine and bone related issues, skin disorders, weight reduction, along with some very soothing therapies for relaxation and rejuvenation. So everything here actually starts with a consultation with an Ayurveda physician who is going to first examine you and then decide whatever is the best treatment for you according to your body type. So hi,
Hi ma'am, what's your name?
I'm Megha.
Okay, age?
It's 20. So I have been suggested a 3-day treatment here. So I'll be staying here for the next 3 days, and I'll be taking these treatments which has been suggested to me by the doctor. So it includes some local massages as well as some Kotli therapies, steam therapies and all. So I'm very excited, and I'm just about to go and see my bedroom. So this is my room here. This is where I'm going to stay for the next 3 days. It has very beautiful lightings and a very cozy and comfy atmosphere. So one thing I've noticed about this place is it's so beautiful, calm and composed that you can't resist to stay here. I can actually stay here for an entire month if I'm asked to. This is my bathroom. A very clean, neat and comfortable space. So I'm about to get started with my treatment now. I'm about to give you a small sneak peek into my treatment. So I think all that stress and heaviness just got evaporated out of me, you know. I think it was really awesome, and all of you, whoever is watching this, you must try it. It's a very nice place with some very good therapies they have, and the very talented masseurs they have. I'm feeling very light. All I'm feeling right now is just to go and have a good nap, but I'm not allowed to do so. So I have to wait for some time and then I'll go for it. So here comes my favorite part, food. So the worst part about a diet plan is that it never really goes well along with your taste buds. But this comes as a surprise to me. I'm supposed to start here with my fruit salad. So all this, whatever has been cooked here, all of it is according to the diet plan prescribed by the doctor, according to my treatment, whatever is suited for me. So you can see I have been given a vegetable salad with some curd and sambar and some red rice. That's my lunch, and I'm about to indulge. Shantigiri has an Ayurvedic legacy of around 50 years, which dates back to 1978 when they started with the first ever center in Kerala. And now they have multiple branches in almost all districts of Kerala and in different parts of the country. So I will be staying here only for 3 days, but they usually recommend treatment courses for 7, 14 or 21 days, which is specific for different individuals. I hope you loved watching my experience here, and I must say, this is a place you must recommend to your family or friends if they are looking for such kind of a beautiful and calm Ayurvedic experience. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.